This is the all-new for 2022 Oahu Series ADA Plus 6. Its unique lowering design gets it all the way to the ground to eliminate the need for steps and long ramping. To start with setup on this unit, there's a box located up on the A-frame. And in there you'll find the controller, which extends and retracts the 4 hydraulic jacks that are located on this unit. We will need to extend the jacks out, raise the unit up to take pressure off of the pins back on the axles. So you want to make sure when you pull these pins that you pull both pins from front and rear axle on both sides of the unit. Also, make sure that the shackle is laying in the down position so when you go to lower the unit, you don't bind up on anything. You can now go to the front of the trailer and crank the A-frame jack all the way back up. You're going to flip the switch on the control box over to retract. Now you can lower the whole unit down to the ground. Once the unit is flat on level ground, you're going to remove the handrails, which are stored on the back side of the ADA stall ramp. Go ahead and pull the pins that lock the ramp in the up position. Carefully lower the ramp down. Once the ramp is down, you can install the 2 handrails that you've pulled off and set to the side. Come around to the front restrooms. Simply lift the handrails and swing them out into the locked position. The Oahu ADA Plus 6 features a spacious interior. There are 3 women's, 3 men's, and 1 handicap compliant restroom. The women's stall features 3 private stalls and a sink with a metering faucet. In the men's, you'll find 1 stall, 2 urinals, and a sink with a metering faucet. The handicap compliant room features a single toilet with an ADA compliant sink and metering faucet as well. This unit is climate controlled and offers heat throughout so that you can use it in the coldest of seasons. So once you're set up, leveled, everything's open, remember to take all your pins, retainer clips, everything. I like to put them in the service closet to make sure I have them when I'm ready to set back up and hit the road again. I take all my pins and just stick them through one, nice and easy, and I won't lose them once they're in the closet. Also, remember to put away your cord and control box up on the A-frame. So around back to the service area, you've got your 2 power inlets, your city water fill, and your mechanical room. In here you'll find all your electrical switches, breakers, and of course, a nice big onboard freshwater system.